Welcome to IKAI Academy. Today, we're going to look at something that is going to completely change how you make presentations. I'm talking about turning a task that takes days into something you can do in, literally, just a few seconds. So forget about all those long hours of research and design. We're about to dive into how AI can build an entire professional presentation for you automatically.
You know the feeling, right? You've got this awesome idea for a presentation, for school, or for work, but then reality hits. You get completely bogged down by all the tedious stuff. The research, the writing, trying to find the perfect images. It's just exhausting.
I mean, think about it. Building one really solid presentation from scratch, that can easily eat up 2 or even 3 full days of your time. That's a huge commitment. But, we're in the age of AI now, and there's a much smarter way to do this. And that way is called Gamma AI.
Gamma AI is a total game changer, for real. Just imagine for a second that you have a professional designer and a research assistant, and they're working together for you at lightning speed. That's what this is. It completely automates that whole tedious process, so you can focus on what actually matters, the message you want to get across.
Yeah, this quote just nails it. You just have to provide the main idea, kind of like planting a seed. And this incredible AI grows the entire tree for you, a complete, fully fleshed out presentation. It's a really cool and intuitive way to think about creating things.
So what exactly is Gamma AI? Well, it's a free tool that takes a single topic from you, just one prompt, and it uses artificial intelligence to generate an entire high-quality presentation from absolute scratch. We're talking text, design, visuals, the whole shebang.
And you know what the best part is? The process is so simple. You might think it's going to be complicated, but it's not. Let's just walk through the 3 super straightforward steps to get you from a blank page to a finished presentation in seconds.
Okay, here it is. Step 1, you give the AI your topic. Step 2, the AI does its research and spits out a slide outline for you to look over. And step 3, you just pick a visual theme you like and click Generate. That's it. The AI handles all the heavy lifting.
All right, so how you get started? It's easy. Just open up your browser and search for Gamma AI, or go to gamma.app. You can sign in really easily with your Google account or just an email. Once you're in, you're going to see a big Generate button. Just click that and make sure you've got presentation selected.
Now for the fun part, the setup. First, you'll type your topic into the box. Let's use an example like the scope of digital marketing in 2026. Then, the AI will create an outline with titles for each slide, which Gamma calls cards. And you have total control here. You can add or delete these cards to make the story flow how you want it. You can even choose the number of slides. You get up to 10 for free, which is usually plenty. Finally, you pick a theme. And here's a little tip. The Pearl theme is fantastic for a clean, professional look that doesn't get in the way of your message.
Okay, so you've got your topic in, you've checked the outline, and you've picked a theme. Now you are ready for the most exciting part of this whole thing, actually seeing the AI work its magic. All you have to do is click that final Generate button, and then you can literally just sit back and watch. This is where it all happens. The AI builds your entire presentation, live, right there in front of your eyes. In those few seconds, the AI is doing a crazy amount of work. It's researching your topic, it's writing the text word for word, it's finding and adding relevant icons, applying professional fonts, and designing the layout for every single slide. It's doing hours and hours of work in just a few moments. It's wild.
Now, once it's finished, the presentation isn't locked in place or anything. This is where you get the final say. You have complete flexibility to make edits, tweak the details, and then get it ready to share with the world.
And making changes is super intuitive. You just click on any text block to rewrite it, or click on an image to replace it. It's that easy. Once you're happy with everything, you can present right from the browser. Or if you need to export it, just click those 3 little dots, select Export, and you can download your work as a PDF, a PowerPoint, or even a Google Slides file. It fits right into whatever workflow you already use.
So there you have it. If you want to keep learning about amazing AI tools like this one for free, make sure to subscribe to IKAI Academy on YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. By leveraging tools like this, the focus really shifts from the boring manual labor of creation to the actual quality of your ideas.
So I'll just leave you with this thought. The old barriers, time, design skills, effort, they're basically gone. You can now create a beautiful, professional home for your ideas in seconds. So the only real question left is, what are the big ideas you're ready to share with the world?